Hi, welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, welcome back. This is your vocal strengthening workout. If you're serious about singing, I recommend taking my free 5-day singing course. You can find that in the pinned comment or in the description. All you need to do is click the link, pop your details in, and I will send that directly to your inbox. However, it might get caught in your spam or your junk, so do check in there, bring it out into your inbox, and then you'll be able to access the emails. Remember to check in your spam daily if it doesn't come through. It's a small inconvenience for a fantastic free singing course. Remember to only sing as high as you can comfortably. Don't strain your voice, don't push your voice, nice and relaxed. Start lightly and then it will be easier to sing through your range. Here we go. We're going to start with a lip bubble. Let's start here. For those of you with low voices, and we're going to go through. Here we go. Keep going. Next is the tongue trill. Keep going. Keep going. Next is a diaphragm exercise. Make sure that you listen to the demonstration so that you know what to sing, because it's not the same all the way through. Make sure you listen to the whole exercise. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we go down. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and. Keep going. Back down. Laugh it off if it's getting difficult. It's gonna get achy. And down. Laugh it off. Laugh, 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 laugh. Last one. Laugh, laugh, laugh. Okay. Next is another diaphragm exercise, but it's not quite as intense as that one. So the words are pri, pre, bro, bru. Here we go. Pri, pre, bro, bru. Pri, pre, bro, bru. Pri, pre, bro, bru. Pri, pre, bro, bru. Keep going. Back down. The next exercise is, whoa, this is really good for your mid-range, the part where your chest voice meets your head voice and you get that flip, the break, the crack in your voice. So you sing whoa, and we're going to sing down the scale. Whoa, 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 whoa. 5, 6, 7, and whoa, 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 whoa. 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 Back down. Our last exercise is also going to help build agility. We're going to sing to E. E. 5, 6, 7, and E. And back down. Last one. So I hope that you've enjoyed this. If you have, then remember to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Click like, subscribe, share this with someone that you think will benefit, and I'll see you soon. Stay hydrated. Ciao!